Hey guys, it's Sean with Jags Motorcycle Junction. Tina and I are out on a ride with our good friends Mike and Christy. We are headed down to Tubac and Tombstone, Arizona. We're out on the frontage road. We seem to enjoy taking these versus just the main highways. You get to see so much more. You can see the rock formation in the background. Also the trains on the sides. If you get a chance, come down here. Wide open country. Hope you enjoy this.
Hi everyone, it's Tina. We made it down to our room in Tubac. Just thought I would show you around in case you're ever in the area. It's a quaint little place with plenty of room for lots of people. You should come check it out.
Here's some various scenic footage from our adventures as we were traveling around Tupac and Tombstone. I believe this is really heading over to Tombstone from Sonoyta. You can see there's wide open spaces. We love that type of riding. You know, there is some good curvy areas. Sometimes we had to roll on the throttle. You know, don't tell me you guys haven't done it, but always be safe. We really hope you guys enjoy the scenery and the music. Yes, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Tell some friends. We hope to have some more videos out to follow soon. This is who we are, where everyday life and motorcycles come together.